What was your first impression when you walked in?
The people running it is very, very nice, and I like coming here and talking to them and praying.
It was absolutely phenomenal.
Very welcoming, very friendly. I was welcomed with a bag that I could reuse to bring back to get the items that I needed. I was asked about Jesus, if I knew him. It was so welcoming that I ended up volunteering here. So every now and then, once or twice a month, I'll volunteer here and try to give back where this place has helped me and my family.
It was a nice place, and the people was nice, and there was a lot of love spread around.
It was amazing.
That it was all love and sweet ladies and caring people, giving people.
It was nice, yeah.
That you people were amazing.
What would have happened if the resource center wasn't available?
A lot of people would be sad.
I don't know what my residents would do. They look forward to coming here and getting supplies because, they live in a facility. So this is a great program for them.
A lot of people be in bad shape.
A lot of people would probably suffer or be without.
I'd be struggling right now. Y'all helped me out a lot.
Well, it would be a little hard because like with diapers and stuff and wipes, those are pretty up there. Yeah, especially the diapers.
What would you say to someone who feels nervous about coming here?
They shouldn't, because you guys are very, very sweet people. And I think you guys need to tell the world about y'all.
Everything will be okay. They're just as sweet as they can be. They'll help you around, get what you need.
Don't be nervous because it's a good place to help you out. If you don't have enough to go in the store and get you some, in here you can come with no problem. Everyone is lovely and they will open the doors and you will get what you need.
Don't be. Like I said, everybody is super friendly and very welcoming, and it's great.
They shouldn't be. They're great people and they're very caring and sweet.
Don't be nervous, you're very kind people.
Don't be nervous, yeah. You guys are real sweet, yeah.
What would you like to say to some of our donors or volunteers?
How much they're greatly appreciated.
I thank you and appreciate you guys on how much you really help out.
That we appreciate everything they do for us, and God bless them.
That this is a great resource program for everyone.
If you could describe Goshen Community Cares in one word, what would it be?
Awesome.
Fantastic.
Love.
Awesome.
Can you tell me how this place has impacted your life?
Oh, it has impacted in many ways. I wouldn't know what I would do without the shampoo or the soap or everything else that I need, so it's great to have it in our community.
In every single community, no matter where you are, there are always people who need a little extra support and people who are willing to help. Welcome to Goshen Community Cares, a place where kindness meets action. Goshen Community Cares is a local resource center right here in Goshen, Ohio, providing essential items like laundry supplies, hygiene products, feminine care items, cleaning products, toilet paper, and baby supplies, all completely free of charge to anyone who needs them. We are a non-profit organization dedicated to serving residents of Goshen and surrounding communities. You can find us in the strip mall next to Goshen Grind, and we are open Tuesday and Thursday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and Monday and Wednesday from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. At Goshen Community Cares, we believe everyone deserves access to basic necessities, and together we can continue to support our neighbors and strengthen our communities. Join us and be a part of something that truly cares.